Well, hello, and welcome back to another God Bless the Keg Publishing LLC video. And I am Paul John Housleben, flagship author, chief photographer, owner, kind of driving force, chief cook and bottle washer at God Bless the Keg Publishing. But I am also the chief operator at amateur radio station WA2ASQ, Whiskey Alpha 2, Alpha Sierra, Quebec. And I would like to follow up on my previous video that we published here on the whisper mode. Whiskey Sierra Papa Romeo, weak signal propagation reporter. And this is our little ZachTek transmitter. It's only a transmitter. It's just a beacon. It is not a transceiver where we're also putting out our signal reports that we receive. And this little ZachTek is absolutely amazing. Oh, it's going into almost into a transmit mode right there, the little status light while we speak. And this is the GPS. It needs a GPS signal. This is our USB. We're currently hooked to the desktop, and I'll show you the software on the ZachTek in just a second. This little USB goes in, and there it is, right into my desktop. And right now we are working on 15 meters. Just this afternoon we made some changes here, and we had been on 20 meters for about 5 days. And what I do is I work through the frequencies. I set it up, get my antenna tuned, and we are in an apartment here. We're very, very limited as far as our antennas go. And you can watch the other videos. There's more about our QRP operations. And I tune it up through this, my beloved, very, very ancient, but reliable MFJ 941 Charlie tuner. With the old MFJ wood grain, the faux wood grain here. Here's my little Yaesu. We're running that on QRP. And we shifted over from our long wire, which was in our previous video. We had a 58-foot long wire going up through the apartment. And we shifted over to our rain gutter antenna and added to our counterpoise. So right there is a bunch of radio wires, and you can see right there the black wire going out is clipped to our rain gutter, our downspout and rain gutter in the apartment. This wire right here was our single counterpoise, and I added a bunch of other wires. This red one actually goes right here to the domestic copper water pipe system underneath the apartment, and it's very, very effective. Then we tuned it up. It's only 100 milliwatts, so it won't register on the tuner. The ZachTek only puts out, believe it or not, 100 milliwatts. And we eliminated everything else, low pass filters, minimal coaxial cables to minimize our RF loss. And we went straight to the tuner and then straight to the rain gutter with the built-in Ballon on the tuner. And we use a SWR analyzer to get our SWR near perfect on 15. So let's see how we're doing here. So I'm going to move over to the desktop, and right here is the ZachTek software. We're clicked in on 15 meters. We are about 38% on our GPS right here. And what you could do is, once you get your configuration in this software, it's simple, absolutely simple to set this up. Amazingly, kudos to ZachTek here. Harry has done a remarkable job. And you can save the settings and then simply disconnect from your desktop and put it into just a cell phone charger. That's all you need to give it the voltage it needs, and it can run as long as you save the settings, it'll save on that configuration. Very, very simple. Within 15 minutes, you can set this up. So let me minimize this and let's see how we're doing. So now I've gone to the whispernet.org setting where folks are active and spotting. And let me zoom out a little bit here. So right now on 15 meters, as you can see, we are, we're hitting with 100 watts through our rain gutter antenna. It looks like an Echo Alpha 8 Bravo Foxtrot Kilo in the Canary Islands is here. Now it's pretty cool stuff, really cool stuff. It is about local time here. I should give you UTC, and I will do that. I'm going to go to DX Summit and see what the propagation. We're at 2036.49 UTC on the 27th of January 2024. And our propagation is good today on 17 and 15. So I'm anxious to see, how we do as this day progresses, as I have added to the counterpoise on our simple little downspout and rain gutter antenna. Here we are on PSK Reporter. I set it up on 15 meters right there. My call sign, Whiskey Alpha 2 Alpha Sierra Quebec, whisper mode, and right now not getting heard in Europe. You can see the darkness path creeping in here now, and looks like we've got a what's this, Alpha 7 November Mike on the west coast hearing us, and it looks like a Kilo 9 India Mike in Wisconsin. And here we are in Central Virginia at the Writing Command Center, broadcasting with our whopping 100 watts, 100 milliwatts into our rain gutter antenna. So having a blast with this, highly recommend it. Scan back to the little tiny station we have in the corner of our little apartment here. And my goodness, you guys out there that are limited as far as your antennas go, and HOAs and all the other stuff that inhibits our wonderful hobby here. Don't get discouraged. Excuse me. Here we are at WA2ASQ on the air with a little whisper. I gave up my luxurious high-end beer for 2 weeks and had enough money to bought the cheap stuff, and I had enough money to buy this fantastic product from ZachTek. Highly recommended, bulletproof, great quality piece of equipment here. And we're able to get on the air here, QRP with our Yaesu, our CW, have a blast. Minimal antennas, you can do it too. Get out there, have a great time. 73 from Whiskey Alpha 2 Alpha Sierra Quebec. Thanks for tuning in. And hey, we'll see you next time here. Bye-bye.